What's going on, guys? Marqus are here, and we're going to talk about the markets, man. The markets, man. So, when should you panic in cryptocurrency? So, I want you guys to take a look at something. I've been in crypto for a minute. So this market cap, the current market cap, and for the total of cryptocurrencies is about $568 billion, right? So that's a $500 billion, right? So when you see this market cap drops all the way down to $100 billion or $90 billion, then we all could panic, right? Then we could be like, okay, shit hit the fan, right? Once you see that happen, that hasn't happened. So the highest the market cap was at was about $800 billion a couple of days ago. Now it's currently at $568 billion because of the FUD, fake news, a lot of stuff going on, Big Connect and things like that. The list goes on, right? So what do? Well, you hold. You don't want to trade your cryptocurrency during the FUD, right? During the uncertainties, during the panic and all that stuff. You don't want to sell when everybody else is selling. You want to hold on. You want to buy when everybody else is selling, right? If everybody's selling, you want to buy it. When everybody's buying, you want to sell it. So you gotta change your mindset. It's gonna take a while, right? It's not gonna happen overnight, right? So I know a lot of people who are new into cryptocurrency got burnt. I know you guys got burnt. I know you guys got burnt because you guys panic sold, right? And you guys did that because you guys was going off based off emotions, selling because your friends, somebody else is telling you to sell, right? And that's another thing. My boy, my friend, right? He wants to get into crypto and stuff like that. So he been watching, my videos and things like that to see what I do. So, I turned my $100 into $8,000. Like literally, I turned my $100 into $8,000. It took a while, but I made it happen. So he was like, "Man, you had $8,000. Why you didn't sell? Why you didn't cash out, right?" And he said that because my $8,000 went all the way down to like $3,000 because all this FUD, right? All the markets and stuff like that. So he was like, "Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sell." I'm like, "Sell? Why would I sell? Why would I sell myself short like that? Why would I sell when everybody else is selling? Why would I sell when all this FUD is going on? It don't make sense for me to sell." Yeah, just because the value of it dropped from $8,000 to $3,000, yeah, it dropped, right? But I only lose once I sell. So if my $8,000 drops down to $3,000, on the screen, right? Which it is, it's all digital, it's on the screen. So if it drops all the way to $3,000, it just drops. It don't mean anything until I sell it. So that's why I was trying to tell him, like, I'm holding on, right? Because I know what I'm doing. So I'm just holding on. I'm like, just watch, just pay attention. It'll bounce back again. So today, which is ironic, so my $3,000 is back up to $6,000, right? So I got my $3,000 back just by holding, right? Just by holding. I got my $3,000 back from holding, right? But I would have lost if I would have sold, right? If I would have sold, I would have lost, right? I would have lost because I sold for a loss, right? From $8,000 to $3,000. That's a big loss. And not only that, I lost again because I'm out the game, right? I'm out the game. So what if the market reverses itself like it always does, and it goes back up again, right? You can't never time the market, especially in crypto. It just moves too fast. You can't time crypto. If you could time crypto, man, you'll be a billionaire right now. If you could time crypto, you're a billionaire. If you could do it, right? Crypto just moves so fast, man. It just really, it's hard to do it. So So I was like, man, like that's a double whammy. That's what I mean by double whammy. It's a double whammy because you sold for a loss, you panic sold, and not only that, you're out the game. That's a double whammy. You don't want to be a double whammy because you're gonna lose a lot of money like that, man. I did that. You know, when I was first into crypto, always panic sold. I was an emotional trader, you know, things like that, trying to day trade. Didn't know what I was doing at all. I got crushed. I got hammered. I never won any money in crypto doing that. Never. Like, you know how the football, right? You all watch football. You got your winners and you got your losers, right? With football, you know, they don't play a lot of games, right? So, you know, one team could have 10 wins and probably have, you know, 3-4 losses, right? So, but what I was doing with cryptocurrency starting out, you know, my wins was 0, like 0 wins, like a big fat goose egg, right? 0 wins, right? And guess how many losses I had? I had about 5, 10, 20 losses on trades. And I can tell you this right now, I never won any money like that in crypto. Never won a single cent from me panic selling and selling myself short, man. If you keep doing that, you're not going to like crypto. I just advise you get out of crypto because your account is going to go to 0. You're going to lose all your money and you're going to hate crypto, right? You're going to hate it because you wasn't patient enough to reap the rewards, right? And you can reap the rewards just by holding, right? Especially during this time, holding. So yeah, guys, I just want to do that video on that, just to show you guys that there's still opportunity, actually a big opportunity. Like I said, there's a lot of money on the table. The market cap is, you know, $500 billion. It hit as high of $800 trillion. So hey, man, the money is there to be made, and I can show it to you. I can show you what's cheap. What's cheap right now? Litecoin is down. Neo is up. Neo is a good one to buy. Just to hold on to it. Neo's gonna hit $1,000. I believe so. Neo's down. What else is down right now? Dash is down. Tron is down. Buy Tron. Not a financial advisor, but Icon. This is a good one as well. Let's see what else is down. What's like down? Binance is down. Binance was trading about like $20-something. It's at $14 now. It's down. BitShares is way down. BitShares was at its highs of about 80 cents. It's at 34 cents now. So that's down. KuCoin shares is down. It was at $20. It's down at $9 now. So Augur is down a bit. It was at its highs about $88 around there. It's at $60 now. Augur is going to hit $1. It's going to hit $100. Excuse me. Dragon Chain is down. It's at $2.97. I really need to start buying some of this. I really want to buy some of this because it's a platform and it's backed by Disney, and who don't like Disney? What else? Walton, not down that much. As you guys can see, I'm only talking about the good ones, right? Red coin. Factum is a good long-term hold. Damn, Vixen. Whew. Nebulio is a good ones. Platform. Yeah, guys, it's a couple stuff that's cheap right now. Nebulous. I'm looking into this really. Let me see what's going on with that. Chainlink is down. Chainlink is down. Chainlink was at $1 or something. Chainlink is really down. It's at 76 cents right now. Let me just see. I actually messed up on Chainlink. I seen Chainlink. Chainlink hit its lows at about 15, 16 cents. Chainlink hit $1. Yeah, Chainlink hit as high as about $1.30. About $1.30, $1.29. And its lows was about 15 cents, 14 cents around here. This is where I should have been buying. But I was like, you know, I didn't know because they had a big pullback. Chainlink was trading at, before the pullback, was up here, like, you know, 40 cents, stuff like that. So when it pulled back a whole bunch to like 15, 16 cents, I was just like, ooh, I didn't know. But now I know. That was the bottom right there. So always learn. Always learn. So yeah, guys, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback. Yeah, guys, stop falling for the FUD, man. You're not going to make money like that in crypto. Sorry.